m'appelle Adela, j'ai 25 ans. Last year I finished my bachelor in my environmental engineer in Madrid, in Spain. So I thought it was the best opportunity to join to the European Solidarity Corps. And thanks to this volunteer I made in the southwest in France, give me the opportunity to travel around all France, also in Europe, to learn a lot about different cultures around Europe, meet so many people, live with other volunteers, and also develop myself in like professional experience. So I think it's one of the best experiences I had in my life. J'ai appris beaucoup de choses et je crois que c'est une expérience merveilleuse.